Monty the Roses, everyone. This is my reflection, my creative reflection. Introduction. My philosophy in life is simple. In the Christian perspective, it is very clear, as stated in the book of Genesis, that the created man also implies the search for happiness and not pain. It is clearly stated, let us make man in our image after our likeness. Let them have dominion over the fish of the wild animals and all the creatures that crawls on the ground. My interpretation to this poem is that I created myself. I have an interpretation about this. A poem. Human heart by ways. Human feel emotion. Human have weaknesses. Human want happiness. Humans have pain. Humans feel. Humans have strength. Humans have sadness. Humans love. We are made to love and hate. We cry and we dream, and that is human heart. Philosophy in life. My philosophy in life that no one is born perfect. We all make mistakes. Every people crave a different kind of us. Why do we feel lonely? Simple. We want to be loved and we should reciprocate the love that people give because we are all human. What I learned in life is so many that I couldn't even count. Introduction to the philosophy of the human person taught me many things. Okay, I will share to you what I have learned to this subject. In the first topic, it talks about what is philosophy, and what I learned is that this is the reason why men love philosophy and why men need philosophy. Men have tendency to wonder. Plato. That is true because philosophy enlarges our understanding of the world. It expands our intellectual horizon and freedom of thought. Men also have a tendency to doubt. René Descartes. Yes, because philosophy can increase our sensitivity for universal moral values and stimulate our readiness to stand up for the principle of justice and fairness. Men do philosophize because of his or her experience. Karl Jaspers. That is true because philosophy can increase our sensitivity for universal moral values and stimulate our readiness to stand up for the principle of justice and fairness. Men's love for wisdom is true because philosophy can give one's knowledge foresight and a sense of direction in life. Philosophy in life. I have learned many things. Actually, the poem I wrote above speaks it all. Thank you, everyone. This is my creative reflection.